you go to our catalog. Once you get to our catalog, just open any of your folder or training file. You open in this, open our training in GIS. Let's create a new folder. Call this one Geodatabase. Alright, so you right click on the Geodatabase, you go to new, create a file, Geodatabase. Give this one SQL training. Okay, so you right click on SQL training, go to new, create future data sets. Give this one building. Next, select geographic coordinate system. Or let's select projected just for case being. Let's be TM Africa. Select MENA 31 notes. Click next. Finish. Alright, so under our building, we create a feature class. So we'll give our feature class under building. You have let's give this one land. So giving it as land. Okay, under land we have vegetation cover. Yeah, this one with vegetation. Yes, you recording. Vegetation, yeah, sure. Vegetation, vegetation with polygon. We have different vegetation cover. You click next, and give this one name of vegetation with text, the area size, we give this one as double, and then what else do you have in your vegetation? That's one can attribute for. Is it crop type or canopy pattern? Let's say crop type. Underscore type. Can I just use crop type and area and name? The crop type will be text. So the text should not be more than 30 characters. Yeah. Alright, so 15. The double botanical name. Alright, so now we are good to go. Click on finish. So now when you check, you can see our attributes, a future class on the layer. We check the attributes, we don't have any data there, but we have our columns. Now this one, now we can call this one our primary ID, the object ID. You can just leave it as a primary ID. Or we can leave the shape, name, the rest like that. So, okay. Grid and block. GUIDs and block. Yeah. You can check it online what it means. Alright. You don't want to bring it to me. Alright. So that alright. So that if we want to add data into this vegetation that we've created, you right click on it, you go to edit feature. Yeah. That's the main. Alright, it's more like an ID or something, reference number in it. Yeah, it's like an ID. Yes. You want to add data, you right click on it, you go to data, sorry, edit feature. Under edit features, you click on start editing. Alright, when you get start editing, you see a pop-up, you click on continue. Okay, so now having done that, we'll click on, you see this editor toolbar here. You click on editor, you see editing windows. Then you create features. You click on create features. So when you click on create features, it is not yet done yet. You click on that vegetation that comes out. Then you can now select the type of or the way you want to construct your editing. Now we'll click on polygon. So now you can edit. Yeah. So you can now start editing. Yeah. Structure. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, depending, yeah. It's just for a test. You are doing a different project, you know the kind of specification you want. You're doing a different project. But all right now, so you see as you created the polygon, now, it gives automatically the shape length and it gives the area size. So now this area size you must try and know if it is in meters or if it is in kilometers. But definitely, yeah, you check the settings there. Yeah. So now under this name area crop type, that means we don't need this area again. You can actually delete it. If you accept deleting when you stop editing. Yeah. So now when you stop editing, just delete this area since we already have a shape area here. It comes automatically from the database. So now the name, you can now give it a name. You can just give it, then just give it just give it something like a name. So now this one, yeah, I'm still recording. The crop type now, you can just give it any crop type. Which crop type do you have? Which one should you give us sample? Country, okay. Is that right? Okay, now as you've created one now, if I don't think we are using multi polygon or more polygon, if you create another polygon here now, it will still store inside that first. But now this one is storing the next one because we are using just polygon. But we are using multi points, all those ones like that. It's multi points. Okay. Let me create another feature class here. It creates new feature class. Okay, we have to stop editing. So you have to save it. Yeah, sure. Just be for for record purpose, I not lose your data. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sure, sure. So let's create a point, a multi-point. So this one we can give this one as elevation. Just elevation. But let's say spot height. Let's say spot height. Spot height. Let's say elevation. This one now be multi-point features. I'm just using this example of multi-point. So click next, next. Next this one as a spotlight. spot height. This the spot height will now be, you can use double spot height just in case you want an extra point. Or let's use long integer. So we don't have any double, or let's use long integer. So under your spot height, if we are to start editing for this one, long integer, yes. So spot height is just more like an elevation of, you use it for elevation to project other contours and delineate contour features. Interpolation. So now let's start editing for spot height. This one, we'll talk about that later. Alright, so now for elevation, let's open the attribute table so we see it here. You have spot height, shape, and object ID. So now we'll start editing. You go to this editor tools, window editing, so, or you can find it within here, create features. So once you click on elevation, you see this point here. So now you see these points now that we are creating. We've created several points here, but you see that everything is still, but not still recorded one. So once you click, right click and you see finish sketch, you see that join everything to one. You understand? If you now to create, and then let's assume that all these ones that are here, they have just similar spot height data. Understand? Within that region. If we place another one here like this, like this, like this for multi points, and you right click on it and you click finish sketch, it will generate another column. So anytime you are selecting within your SQL tools to select a statement, that all the ones that have a kind of a crop type or elevation value, you select all these ones for you as a single point. So instead of you, maybe you just want to click only one place to just have one single point. I want to select several places of the same value of height to the same value. All of them represent just the same value. So here now we can just give it as 6 meters. You can give this one as 200 meters for spot height. So when you are doing your interpolation, you will have different results within that same region. Okay, now so that's it for editing and